Tonight, Georgia has just 1 month left to meet the Medicaid Unwinding deadline. For the past year, every state has been tasked with reviewing who is still eligible for Medicaid following the COVID-19 pandemic.
That's right. Liza Lucas has the latest from advocates keeping a close eye on this process in Georgia and their advice when it comes to keeping critical benefits.
The clock is ticking with critical Medicaid coverage at stake.
Normally, people get their coverage renewed every year, but during the pandemic, for those 3 years, folks got to keep their coverage. And starting in April of 2023, every single adult and child enrolled in Medicaid Peach Care was having their coverage renewed.
As the federally required process known as Medicaid Unwinding continues in Georgia, Leah Chan with the Georgia Budget and Policy Institute is watching it all.
So we know that the state is hosting some events in different counties to help people with their renewals, to help people with new applications.
Part of that effort includes recent partnerships with nonprofits focusing on outreach to mothers and pregnant women to walk families through the renewal process and transition to other health coverage if needed.
So that might be folks who turned 19, 20, 21 during the pandemic and they've aged out of their child Medicaid. Or it could be a mother who's passed her 1 year of postpartum Medicaid coverage.
But Chan and other advocates worry about children and low-income families losing coverage due to procedural reasons, like problems with paperwork.
Typically, their eligibility doesn't really change. Their family's incomes stay pretty static, and we have pretty broad eligibility for children with lower incomes.
While the state does not release data by age, the latest breakdown for February and March shows more than 310,000 Georgians will renew coverage from those months, with 89,000 ineligible. 16.5% of cases due those months closed for procedural reasons. Chan emphasizing the need to re-enroll children who've been wrongly dropped. Her number one piece of advice?
Appeal your denial. If you feel like you have been unfairly denied, you can request a fair hearing.